Hello, welcome to our new video. Do you want to upload full picture on Instagram? Then you have come to the right video. First of all, you have to open Instagram app from your mobile phone and click on the plus icon in the bottom and select a picture that you want to post. You can see here we cannot post a complete photo. To upload a complete photo, we have to go back and leave the Instagram and install Snapseed app from Play Store. I am going to open it because I already have it. Here you select the same photo that you want to post on Instagram. Now click on Tools in bottom. Here you select Expand. Now click on Smart option in right bottom. Now you can zoom out with the help of two fingers. Now you can edit it as you want. Now you can choose export option in right bottom. Here you can see the multiple options, but you have to choose save option. Now you will go back to the Instagram. Again choose plus icon in the bottom and select your image. Now we can see that the full image is selected. Now click on arrow at top right. Now click on top right to upload a post. Now you can see that the full image is posted. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.